Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, The King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do a research on it for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have an unboxing and first impression for you, and this is a brand I never heard of before. I don't know anything about. It's just mystery because there is no literature anywhere. All it says, this one is called Rawaa Alteeb or Rawaa Alteeb perfumes, and this one in particular called Afnan is 60 ml eau de parfum, and it is made in UAE, Arab Emirates, United Arab Emirates. So that's all it is on this box. So it's very, very mysterious. I found it on eBay, I bought it, and the seller only had one of them. So I don't know what's going on, but it's just intrigued me because it says Afnan. By the way, it's not Afnan as the Afnan perfumes was selling, very famous Afnan. This particular fragrance called Afnan. The company itself called Rawaa Alteeb. Okay? Anyway, so because it's mysterious, because I don't know anything about it, it's a bit exciting, isn't it? Anyway, so as you can see, white box, quite nice. It's got a nice design to it. Quite simplistic, but it's quite nice. Sorry about the noise. Okay, as you can see, quite nice. And it opens like this. Okay, so it's 60 ml eau de parfum and Rawaa Alteeb, and this one Afnan, and as you can see, it's quite nice looking. 60 ml bottle, quite simplistic. By the way, it was under £15. Here we go. Good sprayer. Alright, so Rawaa Alteeb Afnan, mysterious, I have no idea. Anyway, so sometimes it's good to get something like this. You don't know anything, you never heard of anything about it. Anyway, so here we go. First impression. Smells good. Wow, it smells very floral. So at the moment it's very floral, it's quite sweet. It's about fruitiness. Mamma mia, what a complex fragrance. Very nice. So very sweet. The sweetness is like a berry, bergamot, berries, apple definitely. So many fruits in the beginning, but it's very, very sweet. Yes, very sweet, fruity, but there's a big backbone of white florals in there, plus woody backbone, but there's a vanilla in here as well. So it's quite a complex fragrance. I wasn't expecting this. I paid only, I think, 12 quid for it. But the reason I bought it, because I was so intrigued, because it says, the name is Afnan, but obviously this particular fragrance is called Afnan. It's nothing to do with Afnan perfumes. This is Alteeb, Rawaa Alteeb perfumes, but it's made in UAE. Beautiful, and it's very unisex. It's very is quite fresh right now. It's very, very fresh. It's very inviting. It's very uplifting. It's very friendly. Wow, what a smell! I wasn't expecting that. Yeah, so because there's no literature, there's nothing about this at all. I just going by my nose, but overall I'm very, very impressed because it smells good. It's good quality. 12 quid. Wow, what a beauty. Definitely unisex, bang in the middle. Ladies and men can wear it, but it's very fresh, quite green, quite white florals. The white florals here, jasmine. There's definitely gardenia. There's like a lily of the valley, giving it a little bit of powderiness as well. But what a beauty! I wasn't expecting that at all. I tell you what, this is up my wife, because she will love this. This is a kind of fragrance she love, you know, fresh, fruity, floral, sweet fragrances. It's about powderiness. She love this kind of fragrance. I think she will love this one. It's a little bit of camphorous feel to it as well. It's like a leafy, earthy, green aspect to it as well. But what a complex fragrance for that amount of money. I wasn't expecting much, but it is quite surprisingly quite nice. Wow. So if any of you heard anything about this one, or know about it, or had it, had one from this company, let us know. Because as I said, there's no literature, nothing. I went on Google and Googled it. Nothing came up apart from the box itself. It says made in UAE at Tayyib al sorry, Rawat al Tayyib, or Rawat Alteeb perfumes, and this particular one is called Afnan. Nothing else. By the way, Afnan in Arabic, I think it means pretty. I think either pretty or delicious is one of them. Anyway, so it is quite delicious, this perfume itself. Wow, what a delicious perfume. And at the moment it's so strong, it's full bodied, it's just feeling the room. Wow. I wasn't expecting much, but what a surprise, beautiful surprise. So in the next video I'll let you know the longevity, the performance and things like that. But if I can find anything about it, I will let you know. The only thing is, right now is no literature whatsoever. And also, if you go and to buy it, is nowhere to be seen. The seller who sold it to me on eBay had only one, so I don't know what's going on. But this is very, very good, and the wife is going to be very, very happy with this one. Okay, guys, if you do like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, or valuable, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. If you know anything about this, let us know. And also, if you like to support me by buying one of my own fragrances that are out of this world, very artistic, very strong, super ultra beast mode, very, very intriguing. The only thing is you need to live in our kingdom in order to purchase them. I'll leave the links in the description as well. As always, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, bye, bye.